Hello, I'm back with a mini album share. I used the Craftsmith Dark Elegance paper line, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna need to do a through before I cut into it, but I don't never do that. But I'm gonna try to remember the next time. Try to keep the camera still, so you get a picture of what it looks like. So here's the paper line. I bought it on clearance. This is a 2019 paper pad. Here's the mini album. Here's the front cover. I used a frame from my stash. I think I got it from Tuesday Morning. Here's a vintage jewelry piece. Flower from my stash. A vintage piece. And I decided it would look cute right there as the flower center. Here's my fluffy spine that I use on a lot of my mini albums. And then here's the back. Alrighty. This is a simple mini album. It holds around 33 or so photos, 30 something photos. Here's a simple pocket on the front. Here's a tag where journaling could be done. In the front pocket, turn the page. I have a belly band where a picture could be placed. Journaling. So that should be done right there. The middle part, I fussy cut out the flowers from the collection, and I didn't glue it all the way down, so it's a nice tuck spot. And this is a journaling card where you could journal, and back here you could journal and put pictures in that pocket there. Turn the page, and pictures could be placed here and there. Okay. Oh, and then there's a pocket here with a tag. Alright, oops. Here's a pocket with a bookmark. I love my bookmarks, my books. Okay, put that here. And then a front pocket. And you lift up. And there's a crisscross pocket with journal tag. A picture could be placed here. Then we have a flip here. That's pockets. Is pockets. Reverse waterfall. Side waterfall rather. And then there's the journaling card. This is one of my favorite pages, and I'm gonna have to talk about it more later. I will come back to this page, but here's the front page. Open it up. You have a pocket here where pictures, whatnot could be placed. Pictures could be placed back. I mean, not pictures, but something could be tucked back there. Turn the page, and then we have a tag. And then on this side, I fussy cut out another image from the collection. You could just tuck it underneath this card and could pick pictures or whatever. It could give a card. So, page and simple pockets. This is such pretty paper. Such pretty paper. And then the pictures could be placed there. I always have envelope tag back there, and inside journaling cards. Pictures could be placed in there. And the last reminds you to plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. And that's the end. I really love how it turned out, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Bye.